Ironclad's Insight platform allows you to analyze and drill into the details of your CLM data, including operational and process metrics, risk analysis, clause usage, revenue projection, and more. To get started, Ironclad comes equipped with 24 out-of-the-box reports designed with legal ops professionals or CLM admins in mind, and the ability to create custom reports that can be tailored to other personas, including legal, sales, procurement, finance, and IT. Building charts and dashboards is easy and can be done in a couple of clicks. You can leverage one of the out-of-the-box templates or start from new. First, select the type of report you would like to build and give this chart a name. Then select what category of data you would like to report on, which will include all metadata in Ironclad, and add the visualization you would like. You can choose from several visuals, including columns, bars, donuts, and time series. Once you filter down the data how you want it, you can save this chart and add it to any report dashboard. Report dashboards can have up to 8 charts, and you can change the layout that will best display the data, or add or remove charts as needed. If you need to reorder the charts, you can easily drag and drop to move things around. Now, let's run an out-of-the-box report designed for legal ops or commercial contracts manager to view company-wide CLM metrics at a glance. Many of these charts are operationally focused, helping legal or contracting groups to understand how to manage workload and resources, improve processes, or understand efficiency through prescriptive reporting. For example, you might want to know your average requested and completed contract volume by contract type over time, or how long on average it takes the contracts to move from review to signature by contract workflow type. These reports can give prescriptive guidance for resourcing needs and help in spotting efficiency trends. For example, if you notice there is a particular workflow that takes too long, we can analyze things like review step or signature step to find the bottleneck in each workflow, and drill in to look at why. To highlight an out-of-the-box report for our legal ops team, we will look at a chart called Work in Progress by Current Assignee. This chart helps in capacity planning by showing if resources are well allocated or if certain team members are overloaded. It seems that Lisa Legal has a lot of contract reviews assigned to them, more than anyone on the team besides the strategic finance manager. We can drill down into her work by clicking on the bar above her name. This creates a filtered view of all the in-progress workflows assigned to Lisa. A manager can then easily reassign some of their tasks or use it as a talking point in their next one-to-one. For procurement teams, Ironclad provides analytics to communicate the impact of contract negotiations on overall spend reduction and to stay on top of key supplier relationships. A couple of examples include the volume of procurement contracts by department over time and projected contract spend by department, as well as the volume of contracts expiring soon or with auto-renews, projected spend by category, and total savings from negotiations quarter over quarter. In addition, procurement managers looking to reduce spend might run reports for vendor relationships they own, finding contracts with opt-outs and written notice periods, or analyzing payment terms and discounts as the company looks to minimize spend or renegotiate terms. For sales teams, Ironclad Insights can help account managers understand current entitlements and for sales leaders to spot overall trends across deals. For example, here's a chart detailing the top accounts by spend and which customers are referenceable. Below you can see average sales price by both segment and whether or not contract is negotiated. Diving deeper, Ironclad can help sales teams spot good and bad upsell opportunities by identifying legacy contracts with old pricing models and max uplift amounts, providing guidance on which accounts to focus on. In addition, Ironclad can push important contract data back to Salesforce, providing go-to-market teams with visibility into in-flight contract workflows, or contract entitlement data that can be used to better service and upsell customers.